What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy, Mr. M.O., Mr. MC. Let's go. Let's get straight to it. I know I always say, when I do say I'm going to make videos short, I'm definitely going to make this one short. Just want to let y'all know, I have cashed out already once. This might take about a week to 2 weeks to, get the payment received in your PayPal account. Now, $5, they have 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, and $100. I only cashed out 5. And just want to show y'all this is another way you can make free PayPal cash. If you want to make free PayPal cash, come join. Had a link below the description. And Gmail me ASAP, please. And once again, I say this opportunity probably pays. The payment might take about 2 weeks. Just don't worry. Just know it's going to pay. When you get paid doing multiple things, surveys, watching videos, I grind on sleep, and etc. like that. I had a link below the description. It's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC. Let's get it. Let's go. Like I said, I had a link below the description. And also, I'll be able to show you the payment proof. So, this is what I earned already. Just letting you know. Let's get it. I'm out.